Imagine waking up one morning to an email that says, "We regret to inform you. Your paycheck? Gone. Your security? Shaken. What's your plan B? Companies are downsizing. AI and automation are replacing jobs. The economy is unpredictable. If your only income stream depends on a job, you're walking on thin ice. What if you could build a side income now, so no matter what happens, you're always covered? No boss, no layoffs, just you in control. This isn't another job. It's a system that works for you. You don't need tech skills, experience, or even a huge investment. Just Wi-Fi, a laptop, and the right mentorship. If your job ended today, would you still have an income? If not, let's change that. DM me info at sans44776982713 to start securing your future now.